This is my prototype version of my switch. So this was printed with just whatever I had left right now, which was some ABS, and it's blue and yellow. My final version will all be white, and it'll be PLA. On the inside, I've got my momentary push button switches connected to my buttons, and those all run through this little custom cable that I made to my Pi Zero W, to my GPIO pins, and one ground pin. And it's really simple circuit. Just when you push the button, it connects the GPIO to the ground, pulls it low, and it triggers the event. So right now, I've got my light on dim. So I can push my first button here, my light goes on full. Push my second button, and my light is going to dim here. And I push my third button. This one's a little sticky, but my light turns off. And that's it. So there's a little bit of a delay, but it works pretty well. I need to get the proper size standoffs for my Pi Zero, and I'll have to connect my 110 volt AC to 5 volt DC converter, because right now I'm just powering from a wall plug. But for first go, it's looking good. I'm almost there.